today we are going to be painting my nails. So we have Frozen from Frozen 2, and we have like a nail filer. I forgot what these are called, like things that you put on your feet, so like you put the enamel there, like you put the enamel anywhere, and then we have some nail polish. And then we have Trolls World Tour. Got some two stickers to put on our nails. And we have the nail polish. Trolls World Tour is ready. Okay, so let's get started. So my mom is gonna paint my nails because I don't know how to paint them. Because last time I was painting my nails, when I was painting my nails, they came out the line and then went here. And then the last time I put too much nail polish on my nails. So we're gonna open Frozen. Frozen because I'm frozen. Oh. Ah. So like when you're frozen, okay. I'm gonna do this. Oh, the other one is open. Yay! So we have these stickers. Let's see. Stickers. I don't know how to stick it out my tongue. And we have Frozen. So like, I'm thinking I can mix both of them up for my nails. So I'm gonna start with Frozen, then Trolls World Tour. But first I'm gonna file my nails. How do you do it? How do you do it? Like this? Okay. Because mine are too short, you see? But this is, I can't even file them. So, I'm gonna put this on my fingers. Ta-da! Ah, my hand. Ah! So it will move. It will move. Oh. And after we will okay. Okay. Purple here. Ta-da! Okay. You see, I'm not good at that painting. Did you see that? The nail polish down. So I'm down painting my nails. So I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes for it to dry up. And look how they look pretty. So my nails are dry. So now we are going to be putting these sticker on Trolls World Tour. So let's put on these stickers. Okay, so we're starting with the heart. I'm just gonna Yeah, you can see the heart. It looks nice and pretty. So we're gonna put this one right beside my pinky. It's hard. I can't do it. I can't pick it up. Can you pick it up? These are really sticky nails. These are, I mean, like, I don't know what I mean by nails, but those are really sticky. Like, so we have these two. Okay, and the next one, I'm thinking of putting, oh, there's like a swirly lollipop. Could just swirl, but I think I just the other arts next time. So let's see how it looks. Oh, I think it's matching my beads. You see? So these are my beads. So my beads and my nails. You see? You see? And it's kind of matching my shirts because I have pink on my nails and there's purple somewhere. Yeah, purple here. It's just, you think this is blue, guys, but right beside that pink, it's purple. So that one. And you see? It matches. That is so cool. And it's also matching. So they're matching the mountain. Oh, and thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and share my video. I want to see 1 million likes and 1,000 subscribers. Can you make? No way, actually. Let's see if we can make it. Yeah, up to 1,000. So, if you're watching this video, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. I want you to hit it. I want you to hit it. Bye.